Welcome back, everyone, and today I'm going to give you a quick update on the forest, on the inside of the forest and what it looks like. And remember this shot right here. Remember, you're going to see this. You should be able to see that in your own forest. Broken branches, dead trees, they're hanging off just like that. I'm going to do the best I can to film things today. See, look at the bark on that tree. Look how it's split open. Can you see that? So the trees are completely splitting open, and the bark is shearing off of it. And these trees are dying out really fast, and they're bending. And you see the trees bending over and falling over. And it's in much, much worse shape than the last time I was here. All these trees right here were green, and they're brown now. They're completely dead. You see? This happened within 3 weeks' time. I'd say within a month. Just within a month. So I'm going to do the best I can to film some of the destruction that you're seeing out here. Okay? We'll walk over there and we'll look at that tree. That bark looks really bad. See, now this tree was somewhat green the last time I was here, and now, see, this is what I've been trying to show you. See how the bark looks sickened and diseased. I'll show you. See, same thing with it. Unbelievable. It's really quite shocking to see this. Yeah, this is international, people. This is happening to forests around the world. It's not just mine. Okay? These trees are falling over sideways. I'm going to edit this video together the best I can. But see, this is what I'm talking about. The trees are just rotting away. I mean, this happened really fast too. I was just here. I'm going to try to document what I can. It's really hard to get a straight story on what's going on here. I've got it narrowed down to about 4 or 5 things. People have told me there's a hole in the ozone layer. That's why you see the spraying in the sky. People have told me that Fukushima, the plutonium reactors, blew up, and this was what's left of it. It's affected everything on the planet. Some people told me it's from all the barrels in the ocean have opened up from radiation. Many different stories here. It's hard to get a straight answer, but I'm going to do the best I can to document what I see here. So hold on. See this tree right here? You can clearly see the damage to this tree. It's defoliated. It's sick. I've heard a lot of people say it's from the aluminum in the sky trails. So now, a lot of these trees, the ones that are still alive, they look very mutated. They look very, very mutated. I noticed that. And you see these trees, they can no longer support the weight, the root systems. They're popping up out of the ground. And you can see these trees are, they do more damage. They fall into other trees. These trees have collapsed and they're falling on top of that one. See, even the lower stuff, guys, look, even the new stuff, you can clearly see the tips are burned off from UV radiation. Look, there's some seriously bad stuff going on out here, ladies and gentlemen. you know, just getting under these things to show you it's very dangerous, but it has to be done. We'll continue on. But that in itself right there is scary. I mean, you could literally walk up the side of this. And there's the hole. Look, there's the... I've been told that these are radiation holes. Like I said, you have to make your own decision on what I'm seeing out here. I'm just going to film it and do the best I can. But that bark looks really bad. Actually, when you put your hands on it, it's like ashes. I've never seen anything like that in my life. You know, we've got pine trees out here bending like this. Like this. They're 3 and 4 inches thick and they're bent like that. Alright, we'll continue on. This area, it's the same thing with these trees. They're flashing out dead. This was green the last time I was here. Now it's completely brown. It's completely dead. It's falling over. Look at that image right there. And they're on a huge angle now, ladies and gentlemen. These trees are going to hit the ground here very soon. Just going to walk through here. It gets worse every time I come through here. Unbelievable. Let's go further back. We go further into the forest. And I think I stopped at this tree last time because I lost sleep over this. I couldn't believe the bark on it. Look. Look at it. Look, it's like ashes. I've never seen anything like that. I've been out here my whole life, ladies and gentlemen. I have never, I promise you, I've never seen anything like that where the tree, where the bark, where it splits open like this. I mean, it's disgusting. It's unbelievable. You have to see it and feel it for yourself. Okay, we'll move on. Look, see, there's the telltale sign. See the dead branch? Look. You see it? I'm starting to see this in my own yard. Just like that. Dead branch hanging off, turning brown, the tree's starting to wilt. Look, I'm trying to get up there. That's so far, that's way back in there, but look, dead trees. Look at it. You can see right through it, completely defoliated. Here we go, a little deeper into the forest. It's the same thing. I mean, these are big trees too. These are some of the biggest trees in here. There's that one I was rubbing my hand on just a minute ago down the trail. Look at the top of it. See the colors? These are supposed to be beautifully green pine trees right now. That tree's turning red, brown. See, this is what all the distractions are about. This is what the mask and all the distractions are about, ladies and gentlemen. The climate's collapsing around you. Look back there. Look. See, I'm making this video so when people ask me, you know, they think I'm crazy, you know, when I show them this stuff. They think it's not real, but it's really, truly happening. Look. You're being lied to in every way. They're going to pacify you till the bitter end. They don't want you to know this is going on. See the broken limbs? You see this? This is the truth right here. This is the truth. If things are dying this fast, think about that. Look through there. Look at that image. I'm gonna do the best I can to document this for you guys. No, and here at Water Power Planet, we ain't like those other chicken shit channels you see out there. No, we go right out in the woods. Right up close. Damn it. Right in here so you can see it. No, right up close so you guys can see the destruction for yourselves and make your own decision. You know, I can't make up your mind and tell you what to believe. All I can do is come out here and show you. Since the last time I was here, look at that. That's incredible. Now I'll show you how it is. Look. That tree was perfectly green the last time I was here. The bark has completely been incinerated by radiation of some type. The tree is completely destroyed. It's turning brown. Oh, it's completely brown. No, I'm getting cooked just standing here by this thing. And the trees too. So if there's a huge hole in the ozone layer, it's right above this area. You know, when you see this for yourself, you ask yourself, we're not going to survive this. We're not going to survive this, all the trees dying like this fast. It's over. It's game over. I mean, I like to be positive and stuff, but look at this. Look, there's the sores growing on these things. I mean, that's disgusting. It's all over these trees. I'm gonna try to keep the video short if I can find a way through here. Yeah. I mean, what's gonna be left for the future children if the forests are flashing out like this? Look at it. Now there's no way I can get over to that, but I'm going to try to film it from here. Look at that in there. Look at that. Completely flashed out. That was a living, healthy tree the last time I was here. I remember it clearly. And now, it looks so bad. Look at that. Pretty scary. I won't lie to you guys, making these videos, they don't want you to panic. No, I'm kind of scared seeing all this. This is around the world dying like this. You know? I mean, look, the top is gone out of that tree, ladies and gentlemen. It jumped out of the top of the damn tree and it's on the ground. Look, there's so many of them like that. There's the damn top of the tree. This is bad. This is really bad. No, this is really, really bad. Like I mean, you have to see this. Like I said, and my friends wonder, well, why is he so concerned? Yeah. Well, we'll continue on. You're not going to like what you see when you get further back here. Promise you.